one was off our second EP. This song's called Freight Train. All right.
I need you guys' help for this one. Here's Zippy playing back there. Look at that. I need that fast. Let's do it. Come on, I want to see more hands. There we go. That's better. That's better. That's better. That's the best.
Thank you.